Welcome to Duco Galleria. We are here in Rome at Palazzo Fendi in the Fendi private suites. Here you can have a true experience of Rome through one of the most important famous luxury brands in the world.
What should your guests not miss when in town?
I would say coming to Fendi private suites is already the most important and amazing experience you might have. One of these will be to have a drink, an aperitivo at Zuma Lounge Bar. Visit our fur atelier, because the fur atelier is considered a highlight of the Fendi visit.
What's Rome really like, in your opinion?
A city to visit over and over, and every time you come, you visit and discover something new. Rome is Fendi, and Fendi is Rome.
Which Italian word best describes your hotel?
Luxury, design, history, simply meraviglioso.